These people represent a lot of people in this country who are sick of the way that capitalism is going. They are absolutely sick of it. I mean,
no, they don't represent anybody but themselves. They are completely. No, they're just. Let's have this. If he's going to say they represent,
there are people all over the world rising up against their rulers in different ways, and these people have said that they are sick of political corruption. They're sick of politicians doing favours for big business. Even if you want capitalism, why can't we create a new capitalism that puts people first? When banks have problems, we, what is it called, recapitalise the banks. Why don't we recapitalise people? We don't care about people. And so these people have gone out there, they're desperate. And in fact, I saw a slogan saying, where would Jesus be? Of course Jesus would be out there with the protesters. Jesus spent all his time with the poor. Jesus spent all his life.
How do you know
regardless of how religious you are, you don't have to read the Bible. You can read writers around the Bible who said that Jesus walked amongst the poor. And not only would Jesus be out there, you know, you've got the Archbishop of Canterbury saying he shows support, he understands the feeling of these people. In my humble opinion, the Archbishop of Canterbury should be out there too. The church should be out there, because that is the work of the church, defending the poor against big business and big institutions.